So what to expect from this workshop? What will happen once you get there? First of all, every time the workshop is a little bit different. I adjust the workshop depending on the group, depending on participants and their individual needs. So in the beginning of the workshop, I try to smell whether I will approach it more physical immediately, or we will talk first and do some questions, answers. Or we'll start working immediately. What does it mean? Working means basically rehearsing. So I will be rehearsing with people. People will be with me on the floor with their text, having a public presentation that they want to test. And through this, we will be together identifying the difficulties and trying to find solutions. In that way, I try to give them an insight through the practical work. I try to give them experience in which the knowledge will reveal itself to them. So it's not a theoretical knowledge that I try to impose on them, but it's something that comes within themselves while working. And in that way, I think once they go home, this knowledge, this experience, this insight is easily accessible to them. And but the deeper you go, the more you know. So it does require some practice to get somewhere. And I know it's quite scary for people, especially in the beginning, but I think it's the fastest way to go somewhere.